Financial analytics is the last topic of our second module. Financial analytics is a field that gives different views of a company's financial data. It helps to gain in-depth knowledge and take action against it to improve the performance of your business. Financial analytics has its effect on all parts of your business. So finance is a partner to business. Over the past few years, companies have opened their eyes to the value that finance can bring to many aspects of business. Well beyond the traditional role of providing a standard set of financial reports year after year. Now, more and more business leaders are looking to CFOs for partnership and actionable insights. So, this is a big opportunity, but it is also a big challenge. So financial analytics helps the CFOs to take certain decisions and also become a partner in the development of the business. So financial analytics gives different views of a company's financial data. That is, it helps to improve the performance of your business by gaining in-depth knowledge. Financial analytics can have impact on all parts of your business. But this is also a big challenge. Financial analytics helps the CFOs. They provide the CFOs with so many tools which help them to take decisions related to finance. By combining the internal financial information and operational data with the external information such as social media, demographics, and big data, finance analytics may address critical business questions with unprecedented ease, speed, and accuracy. So, financial analytics not only handles internal financial information and also operational data, but it also incorporates the external informations such as informations from social media, demographics, big data, and so many other media. They are taking information, external information, and they are incorporating or combining these internal information and external information to take decisions. And there are some questions which finance analytics can help answer. These are the questions which finance analytics will answer. First question is, what is our risk exposure with specific customers and how does each customer relationship affect working capital? Next question is, how can we streamline and enhance our business processes to make them more efficient? Third question, are we investing in the right opportunities based on capital or revenue? And how do our business decisions affect our key value drivers? Next question, how profitable are my products and services across sales channels and customers? Next question, which customer segments may offer the largest margins now and in future? And how are those margins affected by the choices we are making today? And last question, what future events could affect our stock price? All these questions we will get answer from finance analytics. Then let us study some benefits of finance analytics. These are the benefits of finance analytics. First benefit is see into the future. That is, it provide a future or it can predict the future. Second one is turn mountains of data into nuggets of insight. That is, it analyze large amount of data and it divides or it becomes easier for us to access the data by making it into small parts. Third one is put the pieces together. The finance analytics helps to combine the internal and external data to generate insights that was not possible or practical before. So it will put, or that it will integrate the internal data and external data. Next benefit is paint a picture. That is, it present data and results visually. We will get a visual representation of data. So they are easier to understand. Next benefit is take action with confidence. That is, we can become a data driven organization that makes the investment and operating decisions with more confidence and less risk. So we'll be able to take action with confidence. Last benefit of financial analytics is be more strategic. This financial analytics boost the finance function's value and credibility as a strategic partner to the business. Finance will become a strategic partner to the business. These are the benefits of financial analytics.